All right, so for the last core value conversation of the month of May, it is about being more operational with our solutions. And here's something that all of you have probably heard me ask by now is when you come to me with a question or you come to me with a problem that you are trying to solve, one of the key questions that I'm asking is, hey, well, what do you think about it? And this is a very important question because I want everybody on the team not just thinking about the problem that you're trying to solve, but also to bring some options. Because here's the thing, every one of you are hired onto the team because we have confidence that you can actually bring value in the job that you are doing. And a lot of times, when you're bringing me problems or you're bringing something to Lola or you're bringing something to Delasai, you probably already have an idea of what you think might work, but you just may not be as confident in the answer. So here's what I would suggest that you start doing is when you do bring a challenge that you're trying to address, and this is something we talked about, maybe several core values ago, but I think it's worth repeating. When you bring a problem or you face a challenge and you're asking for help, here's a couple of things that you should probably do is you can state what the problem is. Hey, here's what I am trying to solve. And here are some things that I have been trying to do, or here's some things that I thought about doing, and I want to get a second opinion on it. And that way we can start by not just coming with a blank sheet of paper saying, hey, here's the problem, can you fix it for me? It's, hey, here's the problem, and here's what I was thinking might solve it, but I want to get a second opinion. Because when we start coming like that, what you will notice is we will move a lot faster. Because what I have been doing is changing from in the past, when you brought a problem to me, I would give you an answer. But when I stopped and I started asking like, hey, what do you think we should do? What I realized is in many cases, the ideas that all of you were coming up with were actually better than the idea that I was going to give you. And so I want to encourage everyone on the team to know is that, hey, you've been hired in the position that you're in because we have confidence that you can do the job well. So we want you to not only focus on like, hey, addressing or identifying problems, but we also want you to speak up and bring what do you think would be the solution for this problem? Because if we can all start thinking more solution oriented and not just bringing our problem for someone else to solve, but if we show up saying, hey, here's the problem and here's what I think will solve it, I think we will start to work a lot better together, and we will create a culture that anytime a new person comes onto the team, they will understand that we are solution oriented. We don't just bring our problems to somebody else for them to solve it. We come with ideas and suggestions because we are all part of the process of bringing solutions in our business, and we bring solutions to our clients because at the end of the day, that's what our clients pay us for. So all of us need to be solution oriented, and it starts in the simple things like the problems we identify. We should also be thinking about what are potential solutions that could address those problems, because the better we get at doing that, the better we will work as a team. And I honestly believe everybody's life will be a lot easier if we are all solution oriented. Hey, thanks and have a great week.